It's a wonderful day to get to the theater, guys. Yep, sure is. Let me sit down. Yeah. Can't believe the shop is in a movie. This is in a movie. Or is this sweet? Okay, stop it. I'm trying to watch the movie. Hey, what? Nothing. Let's go get some popcorn. Oh, I got it. Okay, that's it. Looks like you're gonna have to go with me before I hope cleaning never ends. Goodness. Oh my god, Orci, get over here. Is this your poor poo-poo? Oh my god, how am I so smart? Actually, just we have popsicles. Fruit crabs. Yeah, fruit crabs.
Fruit crabs.
Wow, how did they get in
How
here?
could you do that?
How did they get in your bowl? Well, I want you to clean it, so please clean it. I can't clean it. Why don't you clean it? Because I'm really I'm not the only one cooking and you're cleaning and you're the one being lazy. You clean it. No, you. Yeah. You look at Dad's favorite cup. I'm gonna go tell your dad right now.
Oh, no, you're gonna tell your dad.
Well, here, go. You're telling your dad what you did. You're telling your dad what you did. What is he? There he is. What did he do? Tell him what you did. Hey. You know what? Let me go. He what? You broke my favorite cup. Here it is.
I'm gonna go down 911. After that, please. I guess it's called the phone.
Well, no. But, come on. I didn't know that calling them said about their house was being with son. No. Oh. No, I cannot. I cannot. We'll see you later. Wow. I think you should put them in the corner. Right, thanks, Jelly. How do you do it, Kim? Oh yeah, he's our pet. Yep, yeah, Shrimpy's just asleep. Yeah, that. You know what? That's not even better. Get in that corner. Yeah, you better look at it. Yeah. More looking later because we do not have time. Hello, okay, time to get out of that corner. Come on. What do you want? Oh, hi.
This is gone awkward. How do I say this? Oh, hey, son. Yeah, you just got the corner. Time to get out now. No. What did you say? No. Ding.
Jeez, Orci, what did you do? Well, I changed, Dad. This is what the new meat's about to look like. The very wrong. I gotta look at that corner. No! You can't just sit there and look at the corner all day. You gotta do something. Like, play with your toys, or draw, or I don't know what these acts anymore. Hey, look, there's your friends. Look. Here is you. Wait, who are you? The name is Odie, and this is Mark. Oh, Odie. You look so creepy. How would you get in that bush? You know, he's an emo. Don't listen to him. He's creepy and he's emo. Let's get inside. Sheesh, Ricky, what just happened to you? No, I know what's going on. I think he changed. Yeah, but do we get any of these? We're thinking. So I don't think we have. Yeah. Don't you guys get it? Get it about what? You guys don't understand what the book did to me, didn't you? It changed me. Yeah. What's going on? How it changed me? No. You don't care about the car, didn't you? What's going on? Why, you?
That hurts. Yeah, he's normal again.
Hey, stranger. Hey. You're a stranger. You're the stranger. You are. Okay. My name is Black Soldier, and I would like to get on felonies. Why? No one's ever asked me that. Here you go. Thank you. Wait up. What are you gonna do? You'll see. Wait. Lunch. So, what's it like being a vulture? What's it like being a goose? Well, the perfect story being a goose. Okay. Story with my Richard. Recently, I was a little geese. Can't wait. Starting with the all.